Homework 6, question 1. For the first question, the first part is to find A so that the above definition is valid joint density function. To make it a valid joint density function, we need to do the integral of the joint function to make it to 1. So just do the integral for the f of xy to the region of x and y, which means to the -1 to the 1. And from the noted that after calculation, we can know 4 divided by a is equal to 1, which means a equal to 4. And for the second one, we need to whether the xy is uncorrelated. If xy is uncorrelated, the e of x and y is equal to e of x multiplied by e of y. And for this question, we can calculate for each part. Firstly, for xy, and just use the function we've learned, and also to plug in the information we know, and we can know the expectation of x and y is equal to 1 over 9, and for the e of x is equal to 0, so that we can know that e of xy is not equal with e of x and e of y. So x and y are not uncorrelated. And for the third part, whether xy are independent, because xy are not uncorrelated, so xy are not independent. And after that, for this next part, we need to find the joint density of a density function of x squared and y squared. And for this part, we can use the part we learned to create this matrix, which is Jacob matrix, and we can know this J is equal to 4xy, and we can know that the density function of the NW is equal to summation of Jacob matrix and multiplied by the density function of x and y, and plug in the information. We can know that the density function of the NW is equal to this number, and we plug in the specific number. After that, we will know the f of the NW is equal to this one. And if we want to prove x squared and y squared are independent, we need to know the density function of their own. So which means we need to know the density function of x, z, and also density function of w. And after calculation, we know that they are equal to each other, and with the 1 over 2 root over the. And we can know that the density function of the NW is equal to the divided part. So z and w are independent, which means x squared and y squared are independent.